Torque wrenches come in many different sizes, different types of sockets, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inches. They come in different lengths, different breakers. They come in inch pounds and foot pounds. Check online for further detail about your torque wrench. If you're looking for a torque wrench to do the job, let me show you what you get inside the box and what this is all about. You're given an instruction guide to go over the specs and details about your torque wrench. In this kit, it's a 1/2 inch torque wrench. Adapters are available as an option. You get a nice carrying case. They clip on and they open up to your torque wrench. It is about a 2-foot torque wrench with the clockwise and counterclockwise locking mechanism with the push button that pushes out the socket and a ball bearing. It has a pin with an E-clip, and your torque setting is basically pulling back the silver and adjusting the inches and pounds. Check online for further detail about what tool and what torque specs you are after. When the tool makes a clicking sound, that is the torque spec that you have reached. Do not over tighten. We're going to demonstrate a few things with the torque wrench. You're looking for a torque wrench for large jobs, and the size, bolt and nut and the attachments to a 3/8 socket. You have a push button that also an optional adapters, extensions and sockets can be used with the piston and E-clip. This unit will make a clicking sound and stop when it reaches the desired torque. With the adjustments of the torque wrench and a socket that you simply again press in the button to lock on, and you need to torque your tires to 80-pound pressure. Out each of the tires, see if they're properly torqued, and they are. So there's no need to pull anymore once you hear that click. Enjoy your torque wrench if this is what you are after.